Hello, absolutely every trader, no matter who you ask, dreams of each of his positions going to a tag profit and never losing his money on the market. And what if in this video I tell you that this is possible? That there is a system that allows you to secure any of your transactions, even the most incorrect ones? What if there is a mathematical formula that allows you to withdraw any of your deposits from any drawdown? What if right on the chart of your quotes you have an excellent auto assistant that will allow you to open a trading position, understand when the most important news of the current day will be? It will show you the prices at which a large market participant places its positions, and will help to withdraw your position from a drawdown in any situation. And will even help to make money on this drawdown. I recommend that you watch this video very carefully, because at the end of this review you will get a great bot for trading any instruments that your broker offers you. Let's start with what unloading is and how it allows you to save your deposit and earn in both directions. So, let's start with the principles. The first principle is trading in both directions. The second principle is bringing in profitable positions to zero. And the third principle is earning on reverse orders. With this method, you earn both on averaging and on movement against your averaging positions. Let's imagine this situation. You bought somewhere in this green area, but the price still went in the opposite direction. That is, you get movement against your position and your loss grows. What can be done in this situation? We are not considering the option of closing by stop. We are now looking for variations on how to get rid of stop orders and earn on each position, or bring it to zero, that is, to trade without loss. Firstly, you will need important strong trading levels, at which large...
Interested in increasing your FX trading profit without additional investments or risk? Try FX Cash Spread Rebate. Trade as you usually do, and your broker will credit you with FX Cash Rebate that will appear on your account. The rebate amount you can earn depends on your broker's terms and conditions. With FX Cash Rebate, your break-even trades become profitable. Loss on unsuccessful trades is somewhat compensated, while your profit on winning trades increases. All this boosts your overall trading income. Let's make some calculations. Find the rebate calculator on the FX Cash homepage. Select any broker from the list and start your calculations. So here's the amount you lose by not leveraging spread rebate. To open an account with rebate options, sign up for an FX Cash account first. Fill out all required fields, enter your phone number, and create a password. Once you are signed in, go to your client area and choose a broker that fits you in the Open Trading Account tab. You can then proceed to opening an account immediately or learn some more details about this broker in the description tab. Once you've opened an account, enter its ID in your FX Cash client area. That's it. Now you can start trading just as you usually do, but now you will be getting immediate extra income with each closed trade. FX Cash is your #1 rebate service. Choose only regulated brokers, more than 30,000 users. Some of the best rebates in the industry. Easy to sign up, user-friendly interface. FX Cash is always on your side in case of any disputes or legal issues. Any questions? FX Cash professional customer support will guide you through the world of online trading.
Large participants place their assets. At these levels, accordingly, you have the opportunity to add new positions to buy, with the expectation that during the correction you will be able to close this position without loss. But what to do if the price goes without stopping? Either wait for the margin, or use the unloading method. Therefore, today you will learn about a method that will allow you to earn very decent amounts and not lose in the market. So, the unloading method is that for each averaging order at a certain level you place a separate pending order, which will trade in the opposite direction. That is, if you have buy orders here. Here you have a sell order of half a lot. That is, if there was one lot here, there were two here, then accordingly you will sell with an order of 1.5 lots here. Thus, on the downward movement prices, you will earn on this order and unload the position. You will not have such a high load on the deposit, because in this situation you lose only 1.5 lots, because you earn with the other half of these lots. Accordingly, at each new averaging level, when the price approaches them, you fix the unloading pending orders in the plus. Accordingly, you add a new averaging order, then in exactly the same way you add an additional unloading order, which will also provide protection for half of this set of lots. Thus, you never have the load that the guys who constantly average, constantly increase the lot have. You seem to do the same thing, but due to reverse pending orders this position is constantly unloaded. Thus, you can go 3 times longer. If standard, and in the mathematical method, a strategy can simply go about 200, 300 points by 4 digits, after which a margin call occurs. Then with the unloading method you can go 1,000. By 5 digits this is 10,000 points movement against, strictly speaking, your position. Probability of losing is reduced to 0 as much as possible, plus all this time due to reverse pending orders you accordingly earn as soon as this construction with averaging actually will form in BO. This is not really needed. If we increase the elbow by 2, then accordingly, having closed this series of movements to 0, you received a total profit. By unloading pending orders, this is quite a good profit. But there is such a situation when the movement went down. Here, actually, we gained averaging and grabbed a reverse order, and then went higher. What to do in such a situation? Firstly, you should understand that in any case, if we have, for example, let's do it this way, 6 lots for purchase and only 3 orders for sale, then we will also reach a break-even point, which, strictly speaking, due to the fact that you earn with a larger lot than you lose, you will reach a break-even level and close at 0. And, again, due to the fact that you closed some reverse orders and plus during this entire movement, you, accordingly, already have some earned amount. Let's imagine that this is plus $1,000. Let's plus 100, so as not to draw a lot. Accordingly, as soon as we have minus $100 on these positions due to these plus 100 earned on reverse pending orders, we can also close this entire series in order to quickly get out of it and start trading anew. I hope that in general terms the unloading principle is now clear to you. Now let's look at the Forex unloading system itself. This is a special bot created by our team in order to simplify your work directly according to this algorithm. Through this panel you can both buy and sell, set, in fact, any lot that you trade, directly from the panel. You do not need to go into any settings. This bot independently builds important levels of a large participant. These are PC levels, intraday and global. It will show you the spread, the orders currently open, how many levels you have for buying, how many levels for selling. It will show the distance to the nearest level where you can buy and the level where you can sell. And, accordingly, it will calculate your profit while you work with this bot. It also has a very cool function. This is the nearest, most important news that will be published in the calendar. That is, you will always know the time when it is advisable to avoid trading, averaging this period and trade at those moments when the market follows technical analysis. Accordingly, what does this give you? You have your own trading strategy, according to which you trade and make your trading decisions. You open this transaction not through the terminal, but directly through this convenient panel. Opened a position. Further, this transaction will be accompanied directly by the unloading method, unless you, in fact, want to close it yourself by stop loss and so on. You have the same opportunity to place take profit orders to accompany this position. This bot will simply control your position and will not allow you, in fact, to drain your deposit on it. At least due to this powerful unloading formula, the chances of this are catastrophically small. To use the bot, you will need a leverage of 1 to 500. A clear story, if we use mathematics, then we need a good enough leverage to ensure these trading processes. In all other respects, you can use any trading strategy rules, any time frame, any currency pair. The only thing is that this bot is created directly for the MetaTrader terminal. All links to this advisor, to this bot in the description.